Hi guys, Darren Neese here. I want to wish you a belated Merry Christmas. I know we're going into the new year here in the next few days. I wanted to offer an end of the year clearance discount on a lot of the courses that people are interested in, like the Power FX full coding course, the ticketing system, the Jumpstart kit. I have a whole 5-day boot camp. This is great for beginners. Then this is a 5-day course of PL 900. If you're looking to take your first exam on the Power Platform, I would definitely recommend that. Now, the discount that I'm offering, now here's a promo code. The link that I'm going to share should already put that promo code in there for you. Now, this does expire after the year, okay? And it is an 83.75% discount. So you could get all of this for a mere $303. Now, if you don't want one of these things, you could simply remove it. Now, I'm recording my screen here with Loom, so I don't know that it's going to allow me to interact too much like you would be able to, but I'm just recording my screen. So you could get one of these, you could get all of them, you could do whatever you want. But the Power Apps Accelerator program, that is my flagship offering, where you get to meet with me a couple times a week, and we talk about your projects, and I make sure that you're getting things done right. You get feedback, you get mentoring, all that type of stuff. It's not for everybody, but a lot of these other courses people are interested in. So I just wanted to give you guys an end of year discount, and that's it. Hope you guys have a great New Year's, and I've got huge plans for 2026. So stay tuned. I think you're going to be very excited about the direction that I'll be going in 2026, which does include AI. Have a great new year. Bye-bye.